Hey folks, it's Tom, your frugal prepper. So you got that tailgate that doesn't want to stay up anymore, or it keeps falling down, especially when it gets cold. In colder weather, it doesn't want to stay up on its own, or it opens really slow. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Super easy and super cheap today. So I'm going to show you all how to do a fairly simple repair. I like to do some of these like simple repair videos for people once in a while. A lot of times people just don't know. But what we have on this Equinox of mine is the liftgate struts here. They are weak. I mean, they're not completely bad where the tailgate falls. Sometimes these will just get to where it won't stay open. You'll see people like cut a piece of wood to prop them up, but then you know, that's dangerous because it could fall and hit you. But this one will go up, especially when it's warm. It's worse when it's colder. But at the very end, it just goes really slow, and you can hear them creaking. And you kind of got to push up to get that extra way a lot of times. And if I'm hopping in and out quickly, then I'll end up banging my head on this because it won't have risen all the way up yet. So fairly inexpensive repair if you buy the parts online. If you go to like AutoZone, they want a small fortune for these things, but you can just, this is a 2008 Equinox. I'll put a link to these on eBay down below. Now some cars, these just clip on. They have little metal clips that you just get out with the screwdriver, but there are some cars like this PT Cruiser, I'll show you, that require a star bit. And I've replaced these as well because they were just getting really weak. And you see how nice and quick that comes up. But these actually have a little star bit down in here. Let's see if it'll turn. It should turn. Yeah. So there's a little star bit in there, and you got to take that star bit out. And then here as well. So some of them have that, and some of them just clip on. Most General Motors products, they just clip on. So we'll go ahead and set up. I just do one of these at a time. Usually one will hold it enough for you to get this done. These bolts here, you don't take these bolts out. There's just these little clippy things right here that you got to pry out. So basically what you do is come up here with your screwdriver on one side or the other and just pry that clip back. You don't have to take it all the way off. It just has to be loose like that. And then if you just take and lift up a little bit on this, it'll pop off like so. And now you're going to notice that like the tailgate's not going to want to stay up real well with just one of these, especially in this case. The other one's pretty weak. So now we just got to get the bottom one loose and kind of hold this up with my head and get down in here with the screwdriver and get this one on. Usually once you get one of them replaced, the other one, it'll hold up while you take the other one off. Alright, that one's now out, so I'll grab the new one and we'll put it in. I'm just going to make sure that these match up and they're the same length, and they are. So just put it in the same orientation. Now when you put these back on, you don't have to take the clip loose. You can just put it on that ball and give it a little pry and it'll pop into place. So I'll just take this, put this here, give it a little pry, pop right into place. You can see how that's on there. So now we'll just do the same thing for the top. Lift this tailgate back up. There, and now it's holding its own weight. So now we got the new one right on there, like so. Pry this off to the side here. Let's come in here with a screwdriver. Pry up my metal piece, like so. Pop that out. That's all you gotta do. Bottom end, like so. Pop the top end. Push it back to the wheel. There we go. So now, yeah, now it's really got a lot of force. You can definitely tell a huge difference. But now it should just be able to. Okay, so hopefully, this little video on how to replace these, it's an easy job that you can do yourself. Like I said, some cars will require that star bit be removed. In those cases, the little star screw is usually embedded, like it's a little ball, kind of semi-ball screw that's embedded in the end, and usually the new ones come with the screw built in already. A lot of these just use these little clips. I think those are easier to do. Even on like the GMs, like the Impalas and the Buicks and stuff, the sedans with trunks, those get bad, and the trunks will go up, and they'll usually stay up because they kind of get balanced at the top, but you'll be getting stuff out of the trunk and the wind will blow, trunk come down, clink you in the head. They have shorter ones, but they have these that hold those trunks up. So, and you don't have to go and spend a small fortune on them at the local auto parts store. You can get them online pretty cheap. So I'll put a link to like the eBay seller and this specific item. I think these 05 through 09 Equinox is probably the same. Definitely 08 through 08 and 09 would be the same. But there are a few differences sometimes on the 05 through 07 on certain things. But you can definitely, secure some of these a lot more reasonable than at the auto parts store and fix that, and you don't have to worry about clunking yourself in the head. I'll talk to y'all later. This is Tom, your Frugal Prepper.